Hello everybody, we are back here live in Odessa, Texas, home of one of our dealerships. I am Xander behind the camera. We have Faith inside, and today we want to show you guys this home, the Delight. Now we've never showed this home before yet, so I'm excited to see what's in store. We got Faith inside, so before we go in, let's say the specs. The specs on this home are 2 beds, 2 baths at 820 square foot, 14 feet wide, and 60 feet in length. Let's see what Faith has in store for us.
Hey Xander.
Hey Faith, how's it going?
And it's going really well. I'm so delighted to show you this home today. But what I think is really cool about this home is it's one of our TRU Homes, so it is definitely one of our more budget-friendly models, but it's just the perfect size to maybe be like a bachelor pad or something like that. And if it's a bachelor pad, you know it's coming up in a few days, the Super Bowl. So imagine being in here just watching the Super Bowl with your buddies. You know, where are y'all watching the Super Bowl at this year? Why don't y'all let us know in the comments down below. So let's go ahead and get this tour started of your potential bachelor pad. So right here, we have our living space. You can put a big screen TV right there, watch all those catches and touchdowns, and who's gonna win? I don't know. I'm very excited to see who that is. And then over here, we have our kitchen. Plenty of space in here. You got cabinets, drawers, and it's very open concept. Like, yes, you have this table here that can be your dining room table, but you could, it's a DIY home. You could build a island in here. There's plenty of space to really do whatever you'd like in this home. So let's go ahead and check out this primary bedroom. So here is your primary bedroom. Lots of space in here for a king size bed, dresser, chest of drawers. Maybe you want a little seating area. Whatever you'd like to do, this is a really good size room. So it can definitely be for that, you and your bachelor pad. And then here is the primary bathroom. You have a tub shower combo. A nice sink with cabinets underneath. Great size. And you have your walk-in closet back here connected to your bathroom. Plenty of space up here. Can definitely add some shelving down here. Like I said before, this is a perfect DIY home. You can do whatever you want in here. So let's check out those secondary bedrooms.
And if you are just now joining us, we are here in Odessa, Texas, inside of the Delight. The specs on this home are 2 beds, 2 baths, 820 square feet, 14 feet wide, and 60 feet in length.
So before we check out this secondary bedroom, here is the secondary bathroom. Tub shower combo as well. Plenty of space to store things underneath the sink. You could add some towel racks. Really just maximize your space in here for sure. And then here is that secondary bedroom. This is a really good size secondary bedroom. Plenty of space in here for a queen size bed, double bed. If you don't have kids and this is your bachelor pad, you can make this your home gym, your office, anything you want it to be, any of your activities that you want. And here is your walk-in closet. Plenty of space in there to store that gym equipment or all those files. I feel like files really, stack up these days. So this was the Delight. Again, this is an in-stock home, $1,500 off. So if you want this home, jump on it right now and we can get it delivered for you. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.